So that's the bigger studio. Hopefully. If you are familiar with the minute-to-minute game, very practical games because of budget, we consider the budget. So we take advantage of the resources that we have in the office, such as the papers, scratch papers, sustainability, one of our core values here. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and start. We need 5 volunteers for the first game. So if this is the first game, this is the easiest. So mind you, you need to just participate. This is the easiest. I mean, no brainer. And then later, we will reserve the difficult ones to our guests.
Frequent flyer.